Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we got a 2016 Kia Sedona, and we're going to go over how you'd replace these lights. And this is an inner tail light and then your reverse backup light. So we got to raise the hood, or raise the hatch. And so behind this cover here is where we can gain access to replace those light bulbs. So you're going to need to use your pry tool or a screwdriver in there. You're going to pop this cover off. So with that cover popped off, we have the two elements in here. And so the top one here, this one goes to the tail light slash, it's just the inner tail light. And so you remove that by twisting it a quarter turn to the left, then press and remove. Okay. This is a 2357 light bulb that you would get to replace. So you just take it, make sure, because this has got a longer tab on it, because this is a double element bulb, that you put it's only going to go in one way. See, we've got it in the wrong way, so you just turn it 180 degrees and then push it in and it'll twist into place. And then go ahead and put it back in here. Line it up and a quarter turn to the right. Right? And the next one is this one here, and this is for the reverse bulb. And this, you twist a quarter turn to the left and be able to pull this light bulb out. And this is it's a 921 bulb, and so you would get just a new 921 bulb and place it back in there, line up to the tabs, and press and fit. And now you just work it back in the hole there, line up the locker tabs, and turn it a quarter turn to the right. So that's how you replace those two lights for the tail light and the reverse light bulb. And when that's all done, then you'll want to just put this cover back on. If you needed to replace the whole housing, there's 4 nuts here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You would loosen all those, and then you can remove and pop the whole housing off and be able to replace it if it was ever broken. But that's how you replace the light bulbs in there. Put your wire back there, and then just line this in and just lock it into place. So that's how you replace your tail light and reverse light on your 2016 Kia Sedona. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.